we're gonna surprise Mickey with some cookies like his mother used to make.
For you.
Oh, Mickey! They're gorgeous!
What's the surprise?
Oh, something.
Something good to eat?
Maybe.
Something's burning.
Something's burning. Oh, my cookies!
Fire! Don't cry over some old cookies.
They are no cookies. I just made them. Oh! I wanted to make the cookies like your mother used to make, and now they're all burned up. Oh!
My mother used to burn them all the time.
Surprise! Oh, Mickey, Nabiscos, Lorna Doone, social teas and Oreos.
Yeah, my mother used to buy them all the time. And here's my favorite.
Oh, Mickey, Big Newton.
Yeah.